4 plus 7 plus 7, 22 marks. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7. This chapter depends on only formulas. There is no theory part. Depend on formulas and also intelligence. So listen carefully and practice formulas compulsory. Without formulas, no calculus. We have 3 chapters: indefinite, definite and differential equations. All these 3 chapters depend on only formulas. What is the integration? Simply antiderivative. Antiderivative of the function is called a integration. That means, listen, we know the formulas in the differentiation. What are they? For example, derivative of sin x equal to cos x. Derivative of log x equal to 1 by x.
Sir, of connection.
1 by x. Derivative of sin inverse x 1 by under root 1 minus x square. These are the differentiation formulas. Next, what are the integration formulas? Remove this derivative symbol. These are the integration symbols and also formulas. Integral of cos x equal to sin x. Integral of 1 by x log x. Integral 1 by under root 1 minus x square equal to sin inverse x. So, antiderivative is called a integration. Suppose we want a integral of secant square x dx. Secant square x. Which derivative is secant square x? We know derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is the secant square x. So integral of secant square x equal to tan x. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Which derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square? Derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. So integral of 1 by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x dx. What is dx? That is a symbol. Integration with respect to x. Integration with respect to x. So this is the dx is the symbol. Symbol. Okay. Next. Integral of secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c. 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Tan inverse x plus c. What is c? In this place there is either positive constant or negative constant. Positive constant or negative constants. Its derivative is secant square x. derivative of tan x, secant square x, derivative of any constant 0. So we write in all problems in the answer adding plus c, adding only a plus constant c. So in this chapter formulas are most important, and also trigonometry formulas up to for example compound angles, multiple compound angles, and also transformations. So read these formulas also: compound angles, multiple compound angles, and also transformations. Trigonometrical formulas are also important. Without formulas, there is no calculus senior entire. So first write the already మీకు నేను పేపర్ పీడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్స్ పంపిస్తానమ్మా, కానీ కొన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ది సమ్ ఫార్ములాస్. Integral of 0 dx equal to c. In bracket, c is a constant. Integral 1 dx equal to x plus c. Derivative of x value 1, derivative of any constant equal 0. Integration of c dx equal to cx plus capital C. Next, integral of x power n dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c n not equal to minus 1, n value not equal to minus 1. When n value minus 1 plus 1 value 0, something by 0 equal to infinity. So n is not equal to minus 1. Suppose n value minus 1, x power minus 1. X power minus 1 means 1 by x. X power minus 1 means 1 by x. So integral of 1 by x dx log mod x plus c. Integral 1 by x square dx minus 1 by x plus c. Integral 1 by root x dx 2 root x plus c. Integral of e power x dx e power x plus c. Integral a power x dx a power x dx a power x by log a plus c. A is a constant, small a is a constant. Eight, 9. 10th formula. Integral of sin x dx sin x dx minus cos x plus c integral of cos x dx sin x plus c integral of secant square x dx tan x plus c integral of cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c integral secant x tan x dx equal to secant x plus c integral cosecant x into cot x dx minus cosecant x minus cosecant x plus c integral 1 by under root 1 minus x square dx 1 by under root 1 minus x square dx equal to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. We know the derivative of this one. Minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square minus into minus equal to plus. So there are two answers, sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. 17th formula 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c integral 1 by x into under root x square minus 1 dx equal to secant inverse x plus c or minus cosecant inverse x plus c. Sin hx dx. H means hyperbolic. Integral of sin hx dx equal to cos hx plus c integral cos hx dx sin hx plus c integral secant h square x dx equal to tan hx plus c integral cosecant h square x dx minus cot hx plus c integral secant hx tan hx dx minus secant hx plus c integral cosecant hx cot hx dx minus cosecant hx